Today's Excel training is on Vlookup. So as a beginner, if you want to learn what is Vlookup, okay, this video will help you. I was learning Excel. Okay, a Vlookup function was very new to me, but I knew that it is one of the important function which should I know. And let's go for the topic. Now, for example, you have a table where you need to bring some data from some other sheet or some other Excel sheet or some other table. So VLOOKUP will help you to look up for that particular data, pull up the value and mention in the sheet where you want the result. For example, now you see a table where there are serial numbers, fruits and vegetables together, which part of the India or world they are coming from, produced from, and what cost. So you don't have a cost here. Your requirement is you have to bring the cost from some other table. So let's do that. There are two ways of doing it. Either you can, if you know the formula, you can do that equals VLOOKUP and the formula. What I do is a simpler way of doing it, and I will explain you in much simpler format. So first, in the blank column, okay, where you want the result, mention equals and go to the function here. The latest formula which I used was VLOOKUP. If you don't have VLOOKUP here, you just have to press this drop down and look for the function VLOOKUP. So once I click here, okay, there is a table which is a function argument. There are four spaces, or four boxes where you have to mention some details. First is lookup value, means like what is the value which is common in this table and the other table which you have. So I know that the common is fruit name or vegetable name. So I click this one, value is banana. And second is table array. So it's asking where is the table. So I know in sheet 2 the table is available, and I click from column A to column C here, and then I leave it. So it automatically fills the table array. Remember that I have not chosen from A to C. I can do that, but this is more easier from where my common value is and where the result is. And 3 is column index. It's asking, okay, from that sheet where you have the data, which result you want to bring. So I want to bring result number 2. See, this is for me the column 1 and column 2. So I want to bring the column 2 result here. And in lookup range, you always mention 0. So we'll talk about this 0 and 1 later. So mention 0, and then here you go. You have got the result. You see, now I just drag and drop. So I have the data filled automatically if we look up. So if you want to just cross verify, see for banana, what is the value for banana? 15. Okay. So purposefully I have mentioned the fruits and vegetable names mixed up here, so that we can get the VLOOKUP verified, and then I get the good result. So hope this Excel function was very useful for you. If you have any questions, okay, listen to my video one more time and also practice it by using some data. Thank you.